everyone, my name is Oliver C. Castillo from BIT TOY. I'm here to discuss the contemporary foreign and economic policy of Japan. We first tackle of economy of Japan. Japan has highly developed mixed economy often referred to as an East Asian model according to the IMF forecast. For 2025, it will be the fourth largest economy in the world by nominal GDP and the fifth largest by purchasing power parity. By the end of the year, it con- constitutes 3.7 of the world economy on the nominal basis in 2024. According to the same forecast, the country nominal per capita GDP will be 56,440. Due to the volatile currency exchange rate, Japan nominal GDP as measured in American dollar. Japan island geography composed of many hills and mountains, paired with a usually very wet climate made it difficult to grow many types of crops despite having very little land of growth on the land. They did have as very arable, good for growing. We have three basic tasks of Japan foreign policy. One is security and prosperity strong alliance with the United States. A cornerstone of Japan foreign policy it is security cooperation with the US which provides a stable international environment for Japan on economic development, free and multilateral trade. Japan is committed to promoting and strengthening the global free trade system with the crucial for its own economic needs and the world economy according to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan. Number and two and the two is world peace and stability international cooperation. Japan worked to ensure world peace and stability through diplomatic effort with a strong emphasis on the United Nations. Non-proliferation and defense, the country plays an important role in preventing the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction and adheres to its own principle on armed reports, regional stability. Japan actively worked to build a stable security environment in the Asia-Pacific region through bilateral dialogues and multilateral framework, like the Asian Regional Forum, ERF, as detailed in the document from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan. And the last one is the universal values and global issues promotion of values. Japan strives to promote values such as freedom, democracy, and human rights, recognizing that true peace goes beyond the absence of conflict. According to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan, global issue resolution, the nation tackles development assistance and humanitarian aid, contributing to a more desirable global community. Japan foreign policy are to ensure its prosperity and security through a strong relationship with the United States and commitment to a free trade system, contribute the world peace and stability via international cooperation and promote universal